Hey Tom, how's the new project?
It's going well. We're testing some ideas.
Do you have a plan for the budget?
Yes, as a rule of thumb, we save 20% for emergencies.
That's smart.
It helps avoid problems later.
I got a job offer today.
Really? That's great.
It's more money and closer to home.
Wow, that's a no-brainer.
You think so?
Of course, take it.
You're right. It's a no-brainer.
So, about our report, did you finish your part?
Not yet. I'm waiting for your feedback.
Oh, right. Then the ball is in my court.
Yes, it is. I can't move forward without your notes.
Don't worry, I'll send them today.
By the way, the last report had some errors.
I know. We were in a hurry.
Did we cut corners?
Yeah, we did. We rushed too much.
Let's not do that again.
Agreed. No more cutting corners.
So, to sum up, we follow the rule of thumb for the budget. Take the new job because it's a no-brainer. You fix your part because the ball is in your court. And we don't cut corners this time.
Exactly. That sounds perfect.
Great teamwork.
Yeah. Now let's get to work.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another lesson on English idioms. In this video, we will learn 4 common idioms that people use when making decisions or solving problems. The idioms are rule of thumb, a no-brainer, the ball is in your court, and cut corners. Let's begin. The first idiom is rule of thumb. It means a general rule or a simple way to remember how something is usually done.
How long should I bake this cake?
Well, as a rule of thumb, about 30 minutes.
So, rule of thumb means a basic or practical guideline, not an exact rule. The next idiom is a no-brainer. It means something that's very easy to decide or understand.
Should I accept the promotion with a higher salary?
Of course, that's a no-brainer.
So, a no-brainer means something that's so obvious it doesn't need much thinking. The third idiom is the ball is in your court. It means it's your turn to make a decision or take action.
I already gave you all the details.
Okay, the ball is in my court now.
So, the ball is in your court means it's your responsibility to decide what you do next. The last idiom is cut corners. It means to do something quickly or cheaply but without following the proper steps.
Why did the chair break so fast?
Because the company cut corners when they built it.
So, cut corners means to skip steps or reduce quality to save time or money. Now, let's practice with questions and answers. Listen carefully. Sometimes the first answer is wrong and then is correct with the right meaning. Does rule of thumb mean a strict law? No, that's not true. It means a general or practical rule. If you say, as a rule of thumb, I drink water before every meal, are you following an exact law? No, I'm not. I'm just following a simple guideline. If I say, you should save 10% of your income, is that a rule of thumb? Yes, it is. It's a rule of thumb for saving money. Does a no-brainer mean something hard to understand? No, that's false. It means something easy to decide or understand. If your boss offers you a raise, is accepting a no-brainer? Yes, it is. It's a no-brainer. If something is obvious and simple, is it a no-brainer? Yes, that's correct. Is a no-brainer. If I say, I already give you all the information and now you must decide, is the ball is in your court? Yes, it is. The ball is in your court. Does the ball is in your court mean that I'm responsible to act? No, it means you are responsible to act. The ball is in your court. If the teacher says, the ball is in your court, what does that mean? It means it's your turn to do something. If I'm waiting for you to reply to my messenger, is the ball is in your court? Yes, that's true. The ball is in your court. Does cut corners mean to do something perfectly? No, that's not correct. It means to skip steps or do something too quickly. If a builder uses cheap materials to save money, did he cut corners? Yes, he did. He cut corners. If we skip proofreading to finish early, did we cut corners? Yes, we did. We cut corners. If you make a decision without much thought because it's obvious, is it a no-brainer? Yes, it is. It's a no-brainer. If someone gives you advice like always check your work, is that a rule of thumb? Yes, you are right. It's a rule of thumb. If the manager says, now it's up to you to decide what idiom fits, the ball is in your court. If a company was fast but produced poor quality, what idiom describes that? They cut corners. If we start over after a mistake and follow simple steps again, are we using a rule of thumb? Yes, that's correct. We are following a rule of thumb. Does cut corners mean to walk carefully and with patience? No, that's false. It means to do things the easy or cheapy way. If a student copies someone's homework to finish faster, did they cut corners? Yes, they did. They cut corners.